Relocating to a new home can be a stressful time for both you and your dog. Here are some tips to make the transition smoother. Update your dog's ID tags and microchip information with your new address and phone number. Gradually introduce your dog to the new home by spending time there before you move. Bring some of your dog's favorite toys and treats to make the experience positive. Keep your dog's routine as consistent as possible, including feeding times, exercise, and walks. This will help your dog feel more secure in the new environment. Pack your dog's belongings last, so they are the first things unpacked in the new home. This will help your dog feel more comfortable and settled. Set up a safe space for your dog in the new home, such as a crate or a designed area with their bed and toys. This will give your dog a familiar and secure space to retreat to if they feel overwhelmed. When introducing your dog to the new neighborhood, start with short walks and gradually increase the distance as your dog becomes more familiar with the area. Be patient with your dog during the transition. It may take some time for them to adjust to the new environment, but with consistency and patience, they will eventually settle in. Thanks for watching.